फ्रेंड्स, आज का वीडियो है IIT जैम 2021 के सोल्यूशन के ऊपर। पहले कुछ वीडियो में 1 से 15 तक हुआ है, आज 16 स्टार्ट होगा। डिफाइन दिस, सो व्हाट इज़ द वैल्यू ऑफ एस। डायरेक्ट वैल्यू कैलकुलेशन के ऊपर प्रॉब्लम है। सो एस इक्वल टू वी कैन राइट लिमिट n टेंस टू इन्फिनिटी पाई ऑफ n इक्वल टू 2 to infinity 1 minus 1 by n square. Okay, so now let's make some changes. N tends to infinity n minus 1 n plus 1 by n square. So limit n tends to infinity pi, so n minus 1 by n into pi n plus 1 by n. So obviously limit n tends to infinity, this will give you 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4 dot 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 n minus 1 by n in the first part, and the second part it will give 3 by 2, 4 by 3, 5 by 4 dot 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 n plus 1 by n. So limit n tends to infinity 1 by n, n plus 1 by 2. So limit n tends to infinity half 1 plus 1 by n. So this is half. If you put this 1 plus 0, so the value is half. So option number A is correct. So the answer to question number 16 is A. Next, go to the 17 number question. Okay, let f of r and indefinitely differentiable function such that for all values of a and b a less than b. This is the postulate. Then you need to guess the polynomial or not. If polynomial, then the direct form. So fb minus fa, f dash a plus b, ab in this way. So let a equal to x minus y and b equal to x plus y. So f dash a plus b by 2 will give you ab minus fa by b minus a. So f dash x minus y, x plus y by 2 will give us obviously f of x plus y. So 2 into y into f dash x will provide us f of x plus y, just putting it over here, minus f of x minus y. So differentiating with respect to y, we get two into f dash x equal to f dash y plus f dash x minus y. So after differentiating again, 2 into 0, f double dash x plus y minus f double dash x minus y. So f double prime is this, and this is also this. So f double prime b, just replacing the value, will give you this value. So as a result of that, f double prime is constant. Let f double prime r see where r belongs to r. So integrating both sides, so f dash r equal to c1r plus a integrating constant c2 c1r. So integrating will get is this. So integrating again will give you only fr, so that is c1 by 2 into r square. So c1r by r square, so c2r plus c3. So ये quadratic polynomial, hence in this kind of structure, let's see what we can do. So f must be a polynomial of degree less than or equal to 2, that is correct. F must be a polynomial of degree greater than 2, that is not guaranteed. If not a polynomial, no. Linear, no. So 17 answer is A. Next, 18. Let's have a look into this. So if x equal to 1 or 1 minus 1 by p, if x equal to np, then GCD np of 1, then strictly local maxima continuity, this thing. So if we take p tends to infinity, then x tends to 0, limit x tends to 0, fx will become 1. As a result of that, this is becoming wrong. Next, if we take x equal to 5 by 1, so p tends to infinity, fx tends to 1. So for all values of x. And if x equal to half, belongs to q, so n equal to 1 and p equal to 2, so GCD of 1 comma 2 is 1, f of half is 1 minus half, so half. So limit x tends to half minus fx is limit x tends to half plus fx equal to 1 not equal to f of half. So obviously it is not continuous at x equal to half as well. So as a result of that, the only option which is correct is strictly local minima for f. So 18 is done.